Hi, I'm Max from Balgooy, Assistant Professor in the Museum Studies program. In this video, I'll explain how to use PolicyMap, a powerful tool for gathering community information. We'll focus on how to generate reports and maps that can help museums understand their surrounding communities. Because PolicyMap is a subscription service, you'll need to log in through Gelman Library's website to access all of its features. Once logged in, search for PolicyMap. It should appear as a suggested database at the top of the screen. Click on it, enter the database. Once you're inside, close the notification pop-ups, and then to be sure you're logged in, check your name in the top corner of the screen. For this tutorial, we'll be looking at a museum in Baltimore located at 600 North Charles Street. Enter the address in the search bar, click Search, and PolicyMap will zoom in on the location. Confirm that the location is correct. Now, let's pull up a community profile report for the area around the museum. Select the community profile from the menu. By default, PolicyMap generates data for a half-mile radius, but for this assignment, we're going to expand it to 5 miles. Hit Search, and the system will regenerate the map with the expanded radius. The report will take a moment to load, but once it's ready, you'll see a detailed overview of the community within 5 miles of the museum. Your report will include key demographic and geographic information, such as school districts and congressional districts, population trends, economic indicators. Some of this data will be useful for your museum profile, while other details may not be relevant. But it's a great way to gather everything in one place without having to compile data from multiple sources. You'll also notice that some sections compare data across selected areas, the county, and the state. This allows you to see how the museum's region compares to the larger area. Now let's create a custom map using PolicyMap. Go back to the Reports menu and select Return to Map. Turn off the location marker pop-up. Adjust the zoom level to ensure you capture the full 5-mile radius. Position the map so the museum's location is centered. Take a screenshot of the final map. This version is much cleaner and more professional than a Google map, which often includes distracting labels like fast food chains. And that's it. PolicyMap makes it easy to generate useful community data for a museum. Have fun!